Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian School of Physics. Guys, this is Nitin here, and today I've come up with a very interesting and very important problem for JEE Advanced 2021. So it is C process versus temperature cycles, and efficiency of cycle we have to calculate here. This is from build up your understanding problem number 40 or 39, I think, from Pathfinder. So here is a statement of this problem. 1 mole of an ideal monatomic gas undergoes quasi-static process ABCA that is shown in the figure, where C is the molar heat capacity of the gas and theta is the temperature of the gas. Find the amount of heat Q received by the gas from the heater heating the gas, W work done by the gas in the entire cycle, and the efficiency of the cycle. R value is given as 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin. So this graph is given. You can see here it's a triangle, and the values are given here as well. So C process, you can see here AB process, it is changing linearly, and similarly in B to C also it is changing linearly with negative slope. So these two processes cannot be polytropic process. They are non-polytropic processes because C process is not constant here. Whereas process C to A, where temperature is decreasing, you can say this process is going to be polytropic process. Now we know from first law of thermodynamics that heat supplied or rejected by the gas, one part of this will change the internal energy, and rest of the part will be used for work done purpose. And C process, by definition, it is defined as heat required to change the temperature of 1 mole of a gas by 1 degree centigrade, so which is dQ by ndt. Luckily here 1 mole monatomic gas is given, though it was not required whether gas is monatomic or not, but number of moles were required in this, so 1 mole is given here. Alright, and if dQ is positive, then we will say heat is supplied to the gas, and if dQ is negative, we can say heat is rejected by the gas. So if there is a process like this from A to B, area under this curve is going to be C process dt. This area is going to be C process dt, and you can see here temperature is increasing if we are going like this. Temperature is increasing if you are going like this. Work done, area under the curve will be positive, and if you are coming back, this area is going to be negative here, or heat is rejected by the gas. So based on that we can say, and this area under C process versus time graph is going to give us a heat supplied or rejected per mole. All right, so luckily in this problem n equal to 1 mole is given. So here you can see in this part C process dt product is positive. In this part also C process dt part is positive, and in this part C process is positive but temperature is decreasing, so dt is negative. Alright, in here A to B temperature is increasing, B to C temperature is increasing, so dt is positive. So we can say from A to B heat is supplied to the gas, B to C heat is supplied to the gas, C to A heat is rejected by the gas. So it's a very simple problem now. Delta Q AB I can very easily write it is nothing but area under this curve till here. So it is area of trapezium. Now I'm taking this temperature as T naught. This will become 2 T naught. This will become 3 naught for simplicity. So half sum of parallel side into distance between them. So half this parallel side is 3 by 2 R and 3R. So 3R plus 3 by 2 R, and temperature difference is T naught. So this delta Q AB becomes 9 RT by 4, 9 RT not by 4 in this situation. And similarly I can say bisymmetry, even in this part same area it will cover. So in this part also equal amount of heat is supplied. Bisymmetry, or you can apply one more time this trapezium formula, and already I have told you that in AB heat is supplied, BC heat is supplied, and CA heat is rejected. So delta QCA, very easily I can write it is going to be this area. It is going to be this area magnitude wise and negative sign. So minus 3 by 2 R, which is the value of C process here, into temperature difference 3 T naught minus T naught. So this work done will come as 3 R T naught minus 3 R T naught, not the work done, heat rejected. minus sign represents heat is rejected. So now this question becomes very simple, because we know it's a cyclic process, so change in internal energy is going to be 0, and Q cycle, delta Q cycle, I can say QAB plus QBC plus QCA. When we do that, we are going to get 3R T naught by 2. So delta Q cycle and W cycle are going to be equal. So this is going to be the work done. This is one of the answer. This is another of the another part as the answer. I think they were asking heat. Whatever they are asking, you can find out. W cycle we can calculate here. Now efficiency is W net by Q supplied. So W net is this 3R T naught by 2. Supplied heat is in QAB plus QBC. That is going to be double of 9R T naught by 4. All right, here 9R T naught by 4. When we simplify this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and we are going to get 1 by 3 as the answer. This is going to be the answer for this problem, guys. From here you can see this is our heat supplied, total heat supplied.